Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube sound not working on Android. So there's a quick guide. Make sure you will have Android device. After here, just swipe up, just tap on it your settings. After, as you can see, the sounds and vibration option, and just tap on it this volume. So make sure your media has been volume maximum. After, you will just go back and just find the app section as well, and from here just finding the YouTube application on your this app list in the last, so just tap on it as well. After here, just find the storage option and make sure you will just tap on it this clear cache. So as you can see, so in this way you will just fix YouTube sound not working on Android. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.